What's up guys, Connor here with Guns and Stuff, and I'm super excited to bring you guys this video today. I have finally got all the parts and all I needed to have my A1-ish style build done. So this is it. It's pretty simple. It's like I said, it's an A1 style rifle. The main difference about this gun and an A1, obviously it's not fully automatic, it's not an M16a1, but I do have a C7 upper on here. So a C7 upper is an A1 upper with a case deflector. Originally, I bought the Brownells upper, which did not have a case deflector. Me being a lefty, I was a little, I don't know, kind of worried to try it out. A couple people said, you'll be fine, and I was not fine. Those casings were just absolutely smoking my face. So I was like, dang, this sucks. Found this on Gunbroker, the guy had one left. So I got the C7 upper. Everything else is kind of, like I said, that M16a1, Sp-1 type thing. So you've got Brownell's stock, Brownell's handguard, pistol grip, Brownell's handguard here. The barrel is Brownell's. I did get the 1-in-7 chrome lined barrel here, 20-inch rifle length gas system. I have the A1 flash hider. So the vents go all the way around instead of just on the one side, so you don't need to time this, which is kind of cool. I do have an ambi safety here as well. You can see it on that side and then on this side as well. Me being a lefty, I try to do a lot of left and right-handed shooting, and an ambi safety on any rifle for me is kind of necessary at this point. Brownell's lower, which I had on that 16-inch short M4 style rifle, or upper I have with the shorter handguards. Now that upper is just by itself. So most of these parts are Brownell's. If you want to know every single part that this thing is, just leave it in the comments. I have a Colt gas tube, regular charging handle, regular bolt. I don't have a chrome one. DPMS, teardrop forward assist here, as you guys can see. And then honestly, the lower parts kit in this is a Palmetto State Armory. So that's it. Did get I guess a true vintage era, Vietnam era sling. Steve at Adco hooked me up with that, so shout out to Steve, that was awesome. But yeah guys, we're gonna do some shooting with this rifle. I've done some shooting with it so far and it's awesome. We're gonna put a decent amount of rounds through it today, see what we get, and we'll get back to you. All right, so we're out here at the 300-yard range. I've never shot this rifle this far, but we've got a target at about 360-ish yards. Target at 300 yards, they're all steel. So we're gonna see if I can hit some targets here. See if I can't embarrass myself. I'm gonna go for the far one first. I think I hit it. Did you hear it? Go for the closer one. That one's really dark. I can barely see it, but see if we can hit it. Going back to the far one here. I am happy with that. right, so we're wrapping up the range day here with the Sp-1 type, kind of custom C7 type thing, whatever. About 250 rounds through this rifle. My buddy and I were shooting it. We were doing some more, I guess, tactical stuff on the other side that you typically do with a carbine. We were just kind of having fun. No issues there. We went out to about 300 yards, 310-ish yards, and we were hitting the steel no problem. It was a bigger piece of steel. We have 2 of them out there. But with iron sights, I mean, I'm not the best shooter as it is, and then give me iron sights, I kind of always do terrible. But I was doing pretty good today, same with my buddy. So, yeah, guys, this rifle is awesome. I think it's awesome. You will definitely be seeing this on the channel and on Instagram and stuff like that. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Connor with Guns and Stuff signing out. Hope you guys like the rifle. Comment your thoughts. We'll see you next time. All right, so as you guys can see, I have my 30-round fully automatic burst assault clip-a-zine here. 30 deadly rounds. This is a ghost gun too. Now I'm going to fully semi-auto mode. Do you hear the difference? It's fully semi-auto. 30-round clip. Clip-a-zine. Ah, my plate fell over. Dangerous right there.